Gordo is made in honor of José Mata, the father of Patrick, who together with Alberto Orte owns Vinos del Atlántico, which produces all the vinos regionales in addition to other wines. Gordo is produced with the unknown, not so talked about, Monastrell grape. Its icon symbolizes the dry farmed vines. Spain's sunshine and dry climate create ideal conditions for vines to grow deep into the earth in search of water and nutrients, allowing nature to do its work without the need of irrigation, resulting in a stable ripening process yielding superior quality grapes. These wines go extremely well with pork and lamb dishes. That's why we decided to cook some delicious lamb chops today. So the first thing we're gonna do is mix some chopped parsley, pine nuts, salt, vinegar, and olive oil. We're then gonna season our lamb chops with some salt and add them to the grill. Now while those are cooking, we can keep trying the wines. So Monastrell wines exhibit dark fruit flavors, licorice, and beautiful spice. The wines tend to be medium to full body. They are rich, full of flavor, yet elegant. Thyme, rosemary, and Mediterranean herbs are the perfect seasoning for foods that enjoy this grape. That's why we decided to add some rosemary from the garden on top of each of the lamb chops while they're cooking on the grill. That way when we close it, it kind of forms a little aromatic smoke and the lamb chops get to absorb all of these aromas. Now Monastrell is grown in the southeast of Spain, where the Phoenicians and later the Romans produced high quality wines that would be consumed all over the Roman Empire. The village of Yecla, where these vines are grown, is one of the birthplaces of the Monastrell grapes, which in France is known as Mourvedre. The story goes that when these vines were exported by sea to France, they shipped from the port town Mourvedre near Barcelona. When these vines arrived to France, the boxes did not indicate the name of the grape, only the port of origin in Spain, which was Mourvedre, hence the name Mourvedre in France. Now while the lamb chops are still hot, I used my rosemary brush from the garden to brush some of that beautiful marinade that we did before. We are then gonna let them rest for a couple of minutes for them to reabsorb all of their juices along with the marinade we put on top. This was our very favorite dish of the day and we hope you enjoy it with the company of a good glass of Gordo.